Welcome. If you've been using Facebook on your PC and want to find every effect you've saved, the new update makes it a little easier once you know where to look. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to access your saved effects on Facebook Web step by step. First, open Facebook Web on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open your account menu with several options. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. This section keeps track of different actions and saved items linked to your Facebook account, so it's the right place to search for your effects. Now, inside the activity log, look for your Facebook activity. This is where Facebook organizes many of the things you've interacted with, including content related to Reels. Click on Reels to continue. Once you enter the Reels section, you should see an option called Effects that you've saved. Click on it and Facebook will show you the effects you've previously saved while browsing or creating content. This is especially useful if you want to reuse a favorite effect without searching for it all over again. If you don't see the effect right away, take a moment to scroll through the list and make sure you're in the correct section. Sometimes the new update moves things around a little, so following the path carefully is the best way to find everything faster. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can find all the effects you've saved on Facebook Web from your PC. If this helped, make sure to keep this method in mind the next time you want to revisit your saved effects quickly and easily.